Imagine creating a magical animated kids story, just like the one you're about to see, without needing any fancy software or expensive tools. What if I told you that you could do it for free using AI? Sounds exciting, right? Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to bring your own kids' stories to life with stunning animations in just a few simple steps. You may have seen videos like this one trending everywhere. Kids' animation channels like Cocomelon pulling in millions of views. And guess what? Their oldest videos, some from 6 years ago, are still racking up over 200,000 views per hour. That means the demand for these types of videos is huge, and you can create them too. So let's dive in and start making your own animated masterpiece. Step 1. Generating story ideas. The first step to creating an engaging kids' animation is crafting the perfect story. Don't worry if you're not a writer. AI has got you covered. We'll use ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot to generate fun and exciting story ideas. Here's how. 1. Use this prompt. Generate 10 of the best kids' story titles featuring adventure, magic, animals, friendship, and learning. 2. Pick your favorite from the list. Let's say we go with the magical map of Wonderwood. Sounds intriguing, right? Now let's move on to writing the full story with scene breakdowns and voiceover scripts. Step 2. Writing the story and voiceover script. Next, we'll use AI again to develop a complete story with scenes and voiceover scripts. Here's what to do. 1. Take your chosen story title and use this prompt. For the selected kids' story title, write a full story separated into scenes. For each scene, provide a simple, engaging voiceover script suitable for kids' videos. 2. AI will generate a well-structured story with voiceover text for each scene. This is pure gold. We now have our story, but what's next? The visuals. Step 3. Generating AI images for animation. Now, we need images that match our story. For this, we'll use Leonardo AI, a free tool that generates high-quality AI images. Here's how. 1. Use AI to create prompts for image generation. Just ask. Write detailed image descriptions for each scene of this kid's story. 2. Copy the prompts and paste them into Leonardo AI. 3. Set the image dimensions to 16 by 9 for perfect video format. 4. Click Generate and let the magic happen. You'll get 4 different variations per generation. Pick your favorites and download them. Step 4. Bringing images to life with animation time to turn static images into animated videos. For this, we'll use Hailuo AI, a free AI animation tool. Steps 1. Upload the images to Hailuo AI. 2. Choose Image to Video mode. 3. Add a short animation description for each image so the AI knows how to animate it. 4. Click Generate and watch your images come to life. Step 5. Adding voiceovers and editing in CapCut now, let's add narration and edit our video in CapCut, a free video editing software. 1. Copy the AI-generated voiceover script and paste it into a text-to-speech generator like 11 Labs or CapCut's built-in feature. 2. Download the generated voiceovers and import them into CapCut. 3. Arrange your animated clips in the correct order on the timeline. 4. Sync the voiceover with the animation. 5. Add smooth transitions, background music, and captions. Final step. Export and upload. Once everything is set, click Export, choose your desired quality, and boom! You now have a professional-looking animated kids video ready to upload to YouTube. And that's it. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, Hailuo AI, and CapCut, you can create stunning kids' animations absolutely free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more AI-powered content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover more AI tools. See you in the next video. Happy creating movie magic.